Choosing between N8N and Flowise in 2025, both are great for workflow automation, but which one really fits your needs today? Here's a quick honest comparison. N8N is powerful, open source, and ideal for developers. It supports complex workflows, hundreds of integrations, and self-hosting, great for flexibility and control. Flowise, on the other hand, is built for LLM-based workflows. It is faster to get started if you're working with AI models, chatbots, or agents. Less technical, more visual. N8N wins in versatility. Flowise shines in simplicity for AI workflows. The big update: Flowise now supports more vector DBs and Hugging Face models out of the box, while N8N keeps expanding integrations and performance stability. So, N8N if you want full control, Flowise if you're focused on AI tools. Drop a comment with your pick and subscribe for more no BS tech breakdowns. See you next time!